Our county, we are very generous with the sales taxes. 2 years ago, we gave away $103 million to our fellows of 10 towns, 3 cities, and 6 villages. That revenue for the first 8 of those municipalities represents as much as 3.5 times their property tax revenues. So to give you a very specific example, the town of Gilliland in that year raised roughly $3.7 million in property taxes. They were able to receive $11.6 million in sales tax revenue. I was in the town of Knox a couple of nights ago speaking there to their town council, and their budget for property tax is about $268,000. Their sales tax revenue is $798,000. So this issue of risk and to what it means is significant for cities, towns, and villages. Whether it's Colony or Cohoes or Watervliet or Bern or Knox or Westerlo or wherever it might be, or whatever village you might be in, it's a significant impact. If you look at the county's budget, our budget's roughly $680 million. Our sales tax revenue exceeds our federal and state aid by over $100 million. So it is enormously important to us. If the economy gets a head cold, Albany County gets pneumonia. So we need to make sure that these taxes are collected fairly. And right now that's not taking place. And I think John mentioned it earlier, the $100 million limit. One of the companies that's able to take advantage of this does over $3 billion. Another does $56 billion of internet sales alone. So these kinds of issues are critically important for this matter of equity and fairness. You can't have tax-paying local businesses subsidizing people doing business from out of state and trying to close those businesses in New York.